All right, another quick update on the white Kadota fig. You see, breva, very big breva, almost striped, and then main crops. So again, this tree is on a 20-gallon container, and this is again 4 years old. The trunk is almost very sturdy, and look at this, another shoot that came last year. I didn't take it out, and then it has full of breva. I thought of I will be trying to go get some roots, but I couldn't do that because of all those breva that happened in my garage. So it has like a sheer number of main crops, as well as it didn't fall any of the breva crops. Usually figs like Smith and all, sometimes they fall their breva crops when you take them out from the garage, because they cannot survive the new environment, even though the weather is warm enough to have those. But white Kadota is really exceptional. This fig tree already have over 100 of figs, including the main and breva crops, and I would say this is one of the productive figs, and the taste awesome. This is an Italian named variety, and well, so if you see the leaves, and it's so healthy, I would say, like, it's a very good tree to have. And I have this Smith and white Kadota together. Smith had some breva, but it's no more there. But every breva that this white Kadota produced is still there intact. So I would say for breva crop as well as main crop production, white Kadota is really, I cannot take every picture like from the top because it's more than 6-7 feet today. So yeah, so that's a quick update about the white Kadota. Thank you for watching.